Okay, so we got this washer right here that's gonna hit layout. And we can't have that. Sometimes you can cut into the stud and trim it out, but it cuts in, this goes on to layout so much that we're gonna end up taking this plate out. We're gonna put in one of these round washers, and we're gonna drill a little hole around it. So you'll be able to see, but it works really well and it still does the job it needs to. You'll end up doing it every once in a while on a long wall or really any of your walls. So now you can put your stud on, and this is down in there so it won't lift your wall up right there. So really, you're just notching out that bolt once that stud gets into place, which is a lot better than cutting out that whole square. So you'll end up doing this every once in a while. Hopefully not all the time. It really is a bummer when all your bolts are landing on a layout. All right, so this one's even worse because it lands on 2 trimmers and a stud. So okay, and seems how this one's laying on this stud or underneath this trimmer right here. We're gonna end up cutting that down so you don't have to cut into the bottom of the trimmer as much. Okay, so we already got this wall built. Usually on the stud, I already have it cut out. I forgot to do it. I usually just use my skill saw to cut out a little notch. Seems I already have it in place though. We're gonna use our hole saw and just drill that right out to where it's not gonna bump into that. Yep. So perfect. All right, so this one's the one under the 2 trims. We're gonna grind the top of this off. We don't need that in our way anymore. Makes so we don't have to make our hole in there so much. But it's on the other side. I'm gonna mark my stud. I'm gonna just use my speed bit to drill my hole in right here. It's like, I think I use a 5/8 here to make sure that it'll definitely go over the top of this bolt. I drill in just far enough for it to go over this bolt. It's all right if you go a little further. And I don't worry about that washer because the way we drilled that washer out, it makes it so that it sits below that green plate line to where you don't need to do anything for that. You just literally need to go over the bolt. So now we can get this trim in. Thanks for checking out our video on what to do when you run into landing your layout on top of these bolts. The next video we're gonna have is us lifting this whole back wall, getting it into place, and getting this house built. But we'll end up going through the whole wall process and the things we like and that we've always done. You want more of this information, you want to check this out, hit this button right here, like, subscribe, do whatever. But either way, thanks. Bye.